here are the 5 most popular remodeling requests with SMC. Number 1, major bathroom renovation. By major renovation, I mean demoing down to studs and starting all over. Usually there's a layout change and we're taking out big bulky tubs and removing them by adding better showers and better function for the current lifestyles that people have. Number 2, a major kitchen renovation. This includes mainly taking out the walls and opening up the space to be more inviting. With this renovation, we also do change the function and remove appliances, as well as increasing the storage and function of the cabinets. During this renovation, we do remove many peninsulas and we add islands for better function and for better utilization of the space. Number 3, attic renovation build out. In the last few years, we have gotten a high demand of finishing attics into homeowner suites with a bathroom and a bedroom as a minimum, but an office is also highly sought after in these attic renovations. Number 4, minor bathroom renovation. This is usually where we're just renovating the shower or the tub area with its surround. We usually do this with a new tub and a tiled backsplash, or we do it with a onyx base and an onyx shower wall systems, as well as this is extremely popular lately where we're removing the tubs and we're adding showers for better ease and function of the bathroom. Number 5 is our basement renovations or build up. We get 50% of basement that we're remodeling to better fit the owner's use, or we have the other 50% where we're mainly finishing unfinished basements that were left by builders, where we're taking it from pretty much a blank slate and we're adding in whatever the homeowners need. Usually we put in a bathroom, a bedroom, as well as a rec space of some sort, a wet bar, and a fireplace.